CriticalAsset helps you quickly identify affected areas on any floor plan. Click Select All to enable affected areas for an entire floor. Each color represents a different electrical panel. Hover over any affected area to see which breaker on which panel it's being fed from. In the example below, the receptacle in the ultrasound room is fed from circuit 15 on panel NR03. To see affected areas for an individual asset, select the asset and select all to see each breaker represented as a different color. Additionally, fed from and fed to lines will show you where the asset is being fed from, as well as any other major pieces of equipment downline.